5 already. You guys have to go. I have such a joy.
Barnzers. Oh, I almost forgot. Our phone.
Bye, guys. My mom said it was time to go.
Well, catch you later.
Well, bye. What's the place to being here?
Goodbye, friend.
Such a fun time. What time even is? This isn't my phone. Oh no! Well, I guess this phone doesn't have a password. I think I might call someone. Oh, Fanula, how would I call her?
What's that sound? I think I'm getting a call. This isn't my phone, but okay.
Hello? Piper, is that you?
Yeah. Is this Hadley?
This is Hadley. I think I might have accidentally grabbed Harper's phone while we were picking up all of our phones.
Wow. I think I grabbed Fanula's phone on accident.
You know, thanks for answering. Yeah.
Hadley, go to bed!
Mom, I'm coming. Sorry, but I gotta go. It's my bedtime. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Time to take a selfie. Oh no, it's not my phone. Even though this is my phone, I think I should call somebody. You know what? I'll call Hadley.
It's
Ring, 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 oh, ring.
Wait a minute.
Ring.
This is my phone, but
Ring, ring, ring.
guess I'll answer.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello? Is this Harper?
Yeah, it is. Is this Fanula?
Yeah, it is. I think when we grabbed those phones, I accidentally grabbed Piper.
That's crazy, cuz I grabbed Hadley's.
I had to go now, but nice call.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh my gosh. She has a freaking alert at 6 a.m. Well, I guess it's time for the school day. Should I, go through her, phone? I think it would be a bad thing to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm feeling a bit rebellious today. She's cheating on Jennifer! Oh, that was Sheriff Lotoist, but I don't know what to say to her. Should I keep it a secret? Should I tell Piper? Should I tell Harper?
What time is it?
I overslept.
Wow, I guess her phone's unlocked.
No way.
She's moving across the country? Oh my, she's dating my brother.
You know what? Since I have it, might as well go through her phone. She's JoJo Siwa.
Hi guys! I hope you liked today's video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell.
Thanks so much.